David is working from home, and I'm just a little witch, but I can't dance in this. So let's talk about what we did in Bachata class this week. So we did our basic, going 1, 2, back step 3, 4, over your changing sides over the partner's head, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomach turn, change sides. 1, 2, right to right. 3, 4. Turn your lady with the right, leaving the left hand down. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. So we're wrapped up like this. You're going to use the hand at the waist to turn the lady. Drop this one. 1, 2. Change hands. 3, 4. Leaders, now you have the lady with your right hand. We both turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. We did our basic cross body. 1, 2, 3. Tap, change sides, step forward. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Leaders, you're going to use your right hand to hair comb the lady on the 1, 2, 3. Get the shoulder forward. Pull the lady in. 5, 6. Continue the circle. 5. Lift the elbow. Well, 6, 7, 8. We walk forward. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. 1, 2, 3. Tap 4. Shoot out. You're going to push the lady backwards while turning to face her. So ladies, we just take one big step back. 5, 6. And now, guys, lift the hand straight up. 7, 8. Ladies, we just take one footstep forward. Right now, I'm on both feet because I'm not sure which way we were going to go. But as we get back into the basic, then I'll know which footstep to start on. So ladies will be going right and leaders will be going left. But that's everything for this week. So remember to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos like this every week. Give us a thumbs up if you learned something. And we'll see you next Sunday in class. Bye and happy Halloween. Bye.